Today's November 2nd, and the rugby. Apa rugby? Good boy. Eli? Good dog. He's slightly off center. And he's not looking at, now he's looking at me. Good boy. Okay, now we're going to have the finish. Eli? Now he's really off. That would be a loop finish. Eli? Pepper? Eli? That was really bad. Ugly. Good dog. That would be the circle finish. And Eli? Pepper, Eli? You can see it's really off. We're going to even do it again. Pepper, Eli, Eli. And now we're going to do the loop finish. Now he always does a loop that way. Honey does it the other way. I'll do it with Honey. Okay, long call front. Pepper, Riley, Reggie, Eli. This I think he does really well. Maybe he is a bit off center. All right. Pepper, heel. Come on, heel. Heel. Good boy. Eli. Yes, good dog. Okay. Loop finish. Pepper. Heel. But he likes to be in rugby, so. Come on, Pepper. Eli. Start again. Eli. Heel. Bravo. Pepper. Eli. Around. Misaviv. No. You did Misaviv in the wrong direction. Bueno. Misaviv. Eli. Misaviv. Heel. No, you're not with me. Okay, come on, try again. Eli. Misaviv. Heel. Pepper. Eli. Misaviv. Heel. No, not with me. Come on. Misaviv. Heel. Come on, heel, heel, heel. Pepper. Heel. There you go. Good boy. Eli. Misaviv. Heel. Yes, good job. Eli. Eli. Misaviv. Heel. Good job. As you can see, his heel isn't very good. My heel is your side. Okay, I think we're done with that. Yep, good boy.